Hey foodies, ever been stuck juggling between stovetop chaos and perfect meal vibes? I was too, until I found my kitchen soulmate, the iSiLER Portable Electric Induction Cooker. Picture this, hitting 18 power levels from 100W to 1800W, turning my stovetop into a versatile beast. From slow cooking hearty stews to searing steaks, it handles all my cravings effortlessly. And those 17 preset temperature settings, absolute lifesaver. Last week I nailed gourmet scrambled eggs at 140°F without breaking a sweat. It's like having a pro chef inside my kitchen. Plus, its sleek portable design fits pans from 3.9 to 8.6 inches perfectly. Whether I'm whipping up breakfast for two or dinner for a crowd, it takes up zero unnecessary counter space. Talk about smart cooking. Honestly, why settle for stress when you can flip the switch to seamless cooking? Transform your kitchen game with the iSiLER today. Ready to level up? Click below and start your culinary adventure now.